This is a 2007 Honda Accord. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, aluminum wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, side curtain airbags, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, privacy glass, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.